Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. This is the Singing She in the UK. And today we are going to buy pizza from Domino's. For a large pizza, the original price is £19.99, but they have a football promotion, so it's just gonna be £9.99 for a large pizza. You can customize your pizza too. You can create your own. Like my husband is a chicken lover, so the half of pizza is gonna be chicken and the half is gonna be vegetables pizza. So let's get it. We're gonna get it from Becton Triangle Domino's. And I have different t-shirt today. That's my husband. Hi! And it's a nice day. It's summertime. It's summertime in the UK. I'm just wearing my normal blouse and joggers. And my bobs. Hey! Hot! Hey, bobs! What is this, bobs? Bobs, I think this is Skechers. Yeah, Skechers. One of my subscribers is asking, why are you right-handed? Maybe United Kingdom wants to be unique. They like to be unique, different in every way. This is our street. So now we are going to Domino's. Woo! This is how we drive in the UK, right-handed. And you have to stay on the left side of the road. Everything is opposite. And we have the bus lane. There are specific times that you cannot stay on the bus lane. Otherwise, you're gonna pay. We'll have penalty. I think from the busiest hours, you cannot stay on the bus lane, or you cannot pass in the bus lane. And this is a roundabout. That is Tesco's. It's 24 hours, and it has gasoline station too, which they call petrol. My husband driving. I hope there's not a traffic or an accident. Otherwise, you're gonna stay in this for a long time, stuck in the traffic. We have this toll guard road CCTV, guys, so we can monitor what is happening, because some people here, they just wanted to be compensated. You know, this funny ran over videos where they pretend they and then they want money. So if you have this one, you can monitor what is happening in the road. You will have a proof that you didn't commit a crime, so you won't be persecuted. This is very important, guys. What do you call this?
Dash cam.
Dash cam. Dash cam. Wind turbine over there. This is Galleon's Reach, Becton Triangle. We're going. Uy! And here they have like exits, like first exit, second exit, third exit, like this. I have to work on my driving theory. I have to study on that. But I'm very lazy. I'm slacking around. I like making YouTube videos instead. Oh, smile! No Dota. No Dota. That's why he's not happy. He's only happy when there is Dota, because he loves Dota. Look at this truck over there. They collected scraps from house to house. I can't believe I'm already 3 years in the UK. No, 2 years and 6 months to be exact. When I came here, I am very excited about all the things here in the UK. But now it's a little bit sad because I miss everything back home. That's why I made this YouTube video to connect to my friends, to beat boredom and homesickness. I like this car, Toyota Hybrid Prius. It's new. It's very new. That is Domino's over there. Wait. This is what we call a Becton triangle. Not Bermuda's triangle. It's Becton triangle. Everything here is gonna make you happy because food and or home appliances, you can have look around and window shop. Why are we going around? You gonna go to KFC? You wanna go to KFC. I cook roast chicken, but he didn't want to eat.
I'll eat that at work.
Okay, he said he's gonna bring it at work. Because sometimes when it gets too busy, he forgot eating his food.
They have party bucket as well.
How much is it?
25.
It's the same. Party bucket.
I just want wings.
He likes wings, the spicy ones. We love eating, guys. KFC Mukbang. Oh, we did it in Birmingham. I like hot weather when I'm not working. Reminds me of my life in Philippines. Just chilling around. Life is short, no stress. Domino's, here I come. What is Screams? They have Subway too. And they have McDonald's. So guys, this Becton triangle is not gonna let you down. You see? KFC. I love the weather. Keeps me going and keeps me happy. KFC offers this Colonel Club card or Colonel card. When you purchase something in KFC, you have to show it, and then you collect points. You know, we always forget, and my husband broke his one, and my one I forgot at home. I always keep forgetting it. If we always collect our points, we probably have thousands and dozens of freebies from KFC because we always buy here, where at least my husband buys because he loves chicken. What?
No, your pizza is ready.
My pizza is ready too. Ready. Finger licking good. KFC. Smells nice. Hey, they have Starbucks too, guys. This is located in Becton, E6, London. And they have B&Q, some DIY stuffs over there. You want to do something in your house, you want to personalize something in your stuffs, you can go there. And some vehicle parts and pet whatever, and kitchen accessories.
Can go get your pizza?
Domino's. Here I come.
Oh.
I'm gonna get my pizza. Do you remember this cream, the gelato bar in Birmingham? But I didn't buy it because it's so cold. And I'm going to collect my pizza. My husband broke his screen protector. Cheap. Create your own. We have Ben and Jerry's too. Hi! This is my pizza. Okay, let's put my seat belt first. Meron akong chicken. You eat chicken. This is my garlic and herb dip. Wow! Look. Looky. Looky what we have here. Half veggie, half chicken. Mighty meat. Mighty meat. Look at me.
You start from the back.
Here.
She got the cheese cross.
Food porn. You see? Let's focus. Yum yum yum. 170 calories per slice. I'm dead. My diet is dead. $9.99. How many slices? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 slices. Again. This is my second slice. Like this. 300 calories. Why am I doing this to myself? This slice, the garlic and mozzarella stuffing inside the crust. Look. And the pizza is not salty. It's just got the right amount of ingredients. It has pepper, tomato, mushroom. This is the veggie supreme. Oh, what happened? Peppers, corn, onions, tomato. What else? Mighty Meaty has sausage, pepperoni, mushroom, and bacon, and onion. If you buy this without the promotion, it's gonna be $19.99. It's $19.99. Well, now it's only £9.99 because of the football promotion. Oh, World Cup! World Cup! We have a country fair here. Carnival. It's summertime. That's why they're here again. I had 2 slices already. What's happening? I'm full. Cravings satisfied. It's hot. We are eating. In Philippines, we use our hands. This is to be connected with the food. Because Filipino, they love eating. My dad is here. Ano dyan? Look at this gravy. You know, in Philippines, when I was still in college, university, we are not rich, guys. I live in a village, so you need to ride a tricycle. Tricycle for 25 pesos.
Yeah. Oh.
So you can go to the city.
Pizza. Domino's.
But I don't have enough money for my lunch. So what I did is I buy 1 extra rice from KFC, I will go in the counter and I will tell them, "Hey sis, can I have an extra rice?" And then she will give me extra rice, and I'll ask for a extra plate. And then I'll go on the corner. Then I start eating. So I'll just pretend that I bought something, and then I'm just buying extra rice. But in reality, I'm only eating the KFC gravy because I don't have money to buy it. That's my story. Because I like to go to school, but I don't have enough money to support myself because I'm supporting my family too. Our previous business, it went down. We didn't succeed. My dad sold our business center, the house. He sold it to a friend. And then that's the time our life started to become even harder. We don't even eat 3 meals in a day. I always eat egg, sometimes the soy sauce, and sometimes nothing. And if I go to school, in the uni, my classmates, they just contribute for me to have lunch, or they bring me lunch from school or from house. They always contribute, and my payment is to always sing for them. That's the payment. And they'll bring me food. Sometimes they also pay my jeepney fare. You know, the jeep. I don't have money, so they always pay for me. And sometimes I'm really shy because I cannot give them anything. So what I do, if I won a singing contest, I will treat them in the fishbowl. You know, fishbowl where we have a stick, the fishbowl stand. Because I don't have money, guys. You have to stay alive. You have to find ways for you to eat. So I don't have anything to eat. I'll buy extra rice, 10 pesos from KFC. Go to the corner and then eat their gravy. This KFC, don't sue me. I just did it because I'm desperate. I'm really hungry. I have a problem. If I get chicken, if I take chicken, I don't know, I'm just gonna pick a little bit and then give to my husband. I like the part that's stuck inside the bones.
Pero yung paggawa na yan, kaya katama yung 37.5?
Sorry, they're speaking in our native tongue. It's Kapampangan.
Mohon na mag-break ka lang ang pakil.
Don't mind.
Kanta, tilbangan na eh.
Like this
yung
chicken.
Yung sa mag-break eh.
But now, I have so much food, guys. So much food.
Mabayaran to kayo ito.
Yan yung magpita oh.
Before, no food. But now, it's too much.
Karita kong pengan, always oh.
Sometimes I like to puke. There's so much food. If I don't control myself, I'm gonna get big. But it's good. My husband, he gave me a gift. That's the gift. Hey, what's wrong with you? Forgive us for those mess. But that's his gift. A treadmill. And we have a bike too. There. I'm just gonna continue eating.